Roswell and Woodford. At 7 p.m. in Peoria, skies were cloudy.
Another EAS.
The temperature was 72 degrees. The dew point was 58, and the relative humidity was 61%. The wind was...
It's a severe thunderstorm warning. I'm in Tazewell County.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Peoria County, southeastern Knox County, northern Fulton County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Cuba or 13 miles west of Canton, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Farmington, Elmwood, Cuba, Trevoli, Fairview, Smithfield, Norris, Marietta, Ellisville, Fide, and Middle Grove. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for west central Illinois.